Today we dive into the world of blending with my new Black & Decker blender. Join me as I unbox this beauty, show you how to clean it like a pro, and whip up my first delicious recipe. I'm not sure it's so delicious because it's cucumber juice. Anyway, you will enjoy the process. You won't want to miss the magic that happens when we put this blender to test. First things first, we unbox. It comes with a 1.5-liter jug and a mill. So this is a very good gadget to have in your house if you don't already have a blender. I had a blender which I am phasing out. It's not that it's spoiled, but I feel it's time for a change. One thing I like about this one is the clip bottom that holds onto the surface so that you can ensure that your blender is safe. And the acrylic jug, it looks so durable, and actually acrylic is durable because I've had my previous jug which have served me actually for quite some time. Okay, so here we have our jug, and the first thing we're going to clean. By the way, did you know that your blender can open at the bottom? I shared a video of me cleaning this blender, and most people were shocked that they didn't know that you can open the bottom of your blender. You can actually do, and it's actually the best thing because you ensure that your blender gets clean. Leave a comment down below if you are today years old when you discovered that you can actually open your blender at the bottom. After unboxing, time to just familiarize ourselves with the manual. I checked through, but of course I'm going to read it gradually, but ensure every time that you get a new gadget, you review the manual so that you understand how it works. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. Time to clean the blender. First, I use Morning Fresh for all my cleaning. If you're team Morning Fresh, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your feedback. For me, I'm a happy, satisfied customer. What about you? Well, if you're still watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, feel appreciated. We value your continued support, and to our new subscribers, you're most welcome to this amazing family. When it comes to cleaning the jug, the best way is to open the bottom so that you can clean each piece independently. It is hygienic and ensures that your blender gets clean, but of course be careful so that you don't get hurt by the blades. Remember, you might forget it is a rolling gadget from the bottom, and you roll it as you clean. So ensure safety when you're cleaning this gadget. For me, it is always a good thing to separate the two. They really help me ensure that my gadgets get clean. Leave a comment down below with something that really adds value to your cleaning, especially when it comes to kitchen appliances. As we continue, please like the video and you can share with a friend. You can see what I was referring to, that you make sure that when you're rolling the bottom side, you don't injure yourself from the top side, because you can be you can forget to be extra careful. Just look at the blades. You see they are moving. So as you clean, just exercise precaution. Here I was trying to remove that ring, but I realized for this blender it's permanent. For my previous blender it was detachable. Yeah, so let's continue cleaning. If possible, I always like cleaning under running water, unless otherwise that makes me feel like whatever I'm cleaning gets even cleaner. So if you're in a position to have running water, the better. If you don't have running water, you make sure you rinse with the bucket water until the gadget is clean. Remember, this is the very first time you're using it, so you also need to make sure you hygienically enjoy your juice with a new machine. And whether it is the first time or you have cleaned it before, it is important to ensure cleanliness. They always say that it's next to godliness. Yeah, and we are done cleaning our gadgets. Sometimes I get a bit confused between the two blades, but you know what, it's now time to set up our jug. So once everything is clean, you put back the jug to the machine. I think it's, I don't know how to call it, but it's the machine that makes the jug run. Well, at this point, I struggled before the machine could start working. Trust me, not everything is easy all the time. So to just take extra precaution, I decided to clean it further using vinegar. So at this point, I'm just making some sort of cleaning using vinegar, you know. Yes, and now after the rinsing and all, we are ready to make the cucumber juice, or is it a smoothie, whichever. Well, now everything is ready. I add my water and I have my blender working. Let me tell you, this is an amazing gadget. I love it already, but after some time I will give you a review of the gadgets.